How to fix lag in Openshot. Is your video lagging while editing in Openshot? It's frustrating, but there are a few easy fixes that can smooth things out. First, check your preview settings. Lower the preview resolution to something like 360p or 480p. This reduces the load on your computer without affecting the final export quality. Next, try enabling real-time preview if it's not already on. Still lagging? Go to the timeline and check how many clips and effects you have stacked. Layers with effects like blurs, transitions, or keyframes can slow things down. Try temporarily disabling effects or hiding certain tracks while you edit. Another fix is to use proxies, lower resolution versions of your clip for editing. Have you experienced lag more with long projects or specific effects? Drop your story in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.